Hello world, this is What's Up 2190, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect to your Linux VPS or your Linux computer that has SSH pre-installed and enabled on it. This can be done from either Debian or Linux, or this can actually also be done from Windows 10, assuming that you have this Debian app installed on it. So all you have to do is type SSH and then the username you're going to be logging in as. So just type root at then the IP address of the SSH server you're trying to log into, the SSH or VPS you're trying to log into. I'm just typing in a sample one there. So as you can see, SSH root username and then at and then no spaces and then the IP address. And it's saying resource temporarily unavailable because I didn't actually set up a VPS. That's just a sample IP address I typed in. But what'll happen is it'll ask you for the username and password for the SSH connection of the user you're signing into that server as. So that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 2190, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.